Hello everyone! Today we are going to discuss finding the volume of a cylinder given the diameter. When you find a volume of a cylinder given a diameter, there's actually no special formula for diameter. You still have to use the formula that we learned yesterday, which is volume equals pi times radius times height, or V equals pi r squared height. So the problem is that in this formula we have radius, and our learning goal is given the diameter. So you have to use the diameter to find the radius. The way that you do that is you have to know that the radius is half the size of the diameter. The diameter of a circle goes from one side of the circle all the way across to the other side. So this is a diameter because it goes all the way across the circle. The radius of a circle is just halfway across. It's from the middle to the edge of the circle. So diameter is all the way across. Radius is just halfway across, just from the middle to the edge. So the radius is half the size of the diameter. So in this picture, this is a diameter of 12 because the line that goes all the way across is marked with a 12. In order to find the radius, I have to think, what's half of 12? And half of 12 is 6. That means from just here to here, just halfway across the circle, would have to be 6, because then 6 and 6 together give me 12. If you don't know what half of something is, you can always get it by dividing by 2. So since my diameter is 12, I can do 12 divided by 2 to get the radius, which is 6. Now that we have the radius, we plug it into our formula. So volume is pi times the radius squared times height, or volume is pi times radius times height. I don't know the volume, so I keep that V. For pi, I'm going to use 3.14. On your homework, actually use 3.14. Don't use the pi button on your calculator. The radius is 6 because it's half of the diameter, so I'm going to do 6 twice because that's what r squared is. Squared means do it twice. And then the height is this number right here. So the height is 16. Now I'm just going to put that whole thing in my calculator, 3.14 times 6 times 6 times 16, and I get that the volume of this cylinder is 1,808.64. And that's how you found the volume of a cylinder using the diameter. Have a good day!